Introduction. Nestled in the heart of the northern Japan Alps, Kamikochi is one of Japan's most pristine and breathtaking natural paradises, often referred to as the crown jewel of the Japanese Alps. Kamikochi offers visitors an unparalleled opportunity to immerse themselves in the grandeur of nature. With its lush landscapes, towering peaks, and crystal-clear waters, Kamikochi has long been a favorite destination for nature lovers, hikers, and photographers alike. The area's reputation as a haven for outdoor enthusiasts is well-deserved, with countless trails and scenic spots to explore. Whether you're looking to embark on a challenging hike or simply wish to enjoy a peaceful stroll through picturesque surroundings, Kamikochi promises an unforgettable experience. Geographical and natural features. Kamikochi is located in Nagano Prefecture within the Chiba National Park and is part of the Hida mountain range. The area is characterized by its dramatic alpine scenery, which includes majestic mountains, serene rivers, and dense forests. Dominating the skyline is the Hoteka mountain range, with peaks that soar above 3,000 meters, including Mount Okuhoteka, Mount Mahoteka, and Mount Karasawa. The Azusa River runs through the valley, its waters a striking shade of turquoise, reflecting the purity of the alpine environment. The lush forests that blanket the valley are home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, adding to the region's rich biodiversity. Each season in Kamikochi offers a unique charm. Spring brings a burst of color as wildflowers bloom across the meadows. Summer is perfect for escaping the heat with cooler temperatures and verdant landscapes. Autumn transforms the area into a tapestry of red, orange, and yellow as the leaves change, creating a picturesque backdrop for hikers. Winter, while the park is closed to general visitors due to heavy snowfall, leaves the landscape cloaked in a tranquil, snowy blanket, accessible to experienced mountaineers. Access and transportation. Reaching Kamikochi is relatively straightforward. Though private cars are not allowed to preserve the natural environment, the most common way to access Kamikochi is via public transportation, with options including trains and buses. From Tokyo, visitors can take the JR Chu line to Matsumoto, then transfer to the Alpico line for a scenic journey to Shimshimoshima Station. From there, buses run directly to Kamikochi. The entire journey takes approximately 4.5 to 5 hours. From Osaka or Nagoya, travelers can take the JR Shinano Limited Express to Matsumoto, followed by the same Alpico line and bus route to Kamikochi. Visas to Kamikochi are also available from Takayama, making it accessible from multiple regions. The Kamikochi area is typically open from mid-April to mid-November, with the best times to visit being late spring to early autumn. Main attractions. Kamikochi is dotted with numerous natural and cultural landmarks, each offering its own unique appeal. Kappa Bridge. This iconic suspension bridge spans the Azusa River and provides stunning views of the surrounding peaks. It is a popular spot for photographs and serves as a central point in Kamikochi. Taisho Pond, formed by a volcanic eruption in 1915. Taisho Pond is known for its ethereal beauty. The still waters of the pond reflect the nearby mountains, creating a perfect mirror image that is especially striking in the early morning light. Maijem Pond, located near Hoteka Shrine. Maijem Pond is a tranquil spot with clear waters that reflect the lush greenery and rugged cliffs surrounding it. The pond is considered sacred, and the area exudes a serene and spiritual atmosphere. Hoteka Shrine. This Shinto shrine is dedicated to the deities of the Hoteka Mountains. It is a place of worship for both locals and visitors who come to pay their respects and seek blessings for safe travels. Hiking trails and routes. Kamikochi offers a variety of hiking trails, ranging from leisurely walks to challenging climbs. The walk from Kappa Bridge to Maijen Pond is a popular and relatively easy route suitable for all ages. For those seeking more adventure, the trek to Mount Yakadake or the ascent of Mount Okuhotaka provide exhilarating challenges, activities, and experiences. Kamikochi is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a wealth of activities to enjoy. Hiking and trekking with its extensive network of trails. Kamikochi is a hiker's dream. The trails are well maintained and offer routes for all skill levels. The moderate hike to Margin Pond is perfect for families, while seasoned hikers can tackle the more demanding paths leading to the high peaks. Photography. The stunning landscapes of Kamikochi provide countless opportunities for photographers, whether capturing the reflection of the mountains in Taisho Pond or the vibrant colors of autumn foliage. The area is a photographer's heaven. Bird watching and wildlife observation. Kamikochi's diverse ecosystem is home to a variety of bird species and wildlife. Bird watchers can spot species such as the Japanese grosbeak and the Siberian blue robin, while wildlife enthusiasts might encounter deer or even Japanese macacos. Guided tours and educational programs for those interested in learning more about the natural and cultural history of Kamikochi. Guided tours and educational programs are available. These tours provide in-depth information about the flora, fauna, and geology of the area, enhancing the visitor experience. Accommodation and dining. Visitors to Kamikochi have a range of accommodation options to choose from, catering to different preferences and budgets. Hotels and ryokan. There are several key-quality hotels and traditional ryokan Japanese inns in Kamikochi, offering comfortable stays and excellent service. Many of these establishments provide stunning views of the surrounding mountains and forests. Campsites for those who prefer a more immersive experience. Campsites are available within Kamikochi. Camping allows visitors to fully connect with nature and enjoy the tranquility of the area. Notable places to stay. Some of the notable accommodations include Kamikochi Imperial Hotel, known for its luxury and historic charm, and Kamikochi Lemista Hotel, which offers modern comforts and beautiful views. Dining options and local cuisine. Kamikochi offers a variety of dining options, from casual eateries to more formal dining establishments. Local cuisine features mountain vegetables, river fish, and other regional specialties for a memorable dining experience. Visitors can enjoy a meal at one of the hotel's restaurants, where dishes are often prepared using locally sourced ingredients. Picnic spots. The scenic beauty of Kamikochi makes it an ideal location for picnics. Visitors can enjoy a leisurely meal surrounded by nature, with numerous spots offering stunning views and a peaceful atmosphere. Cultural and historical significance. Kamikochi is not only a place of natural beauty, but also of cultural and historical importance. The area has been a site of worship and pilgrimage for centuries, with Hotaka Shrine being a focal point for spiritual activities. The name Kamikochi itself means where gods descend, reflecting the spiritual significance of the area. The natural features of Kamikochi, such as the mountains and rivers, are considered sacred in Shinto belief, and the region has long been revered as a place of spiritual power. Throughout history, Kamikochi has attracted various explorers, poets, and artists who have been inspired by its beauty. Today, this rich cultural heritage is preserved and celebrated through various festivals and events that take place in the region. Practical information. To ensure a safe and enjoyable visit to Kamikochi, it is important to be aware of some practical details. Entrance fees and passes. While there is no general entrance fee for Kamikochi, certain areas or activities may require a fee. It is advisable to check in advance and obtain any necessary passes or permits. Rules and regulations to preserve the natural environment. Visitors are expected to adhere to certain rules and regulations. These include staying on designated trails, not disturbing wildlife, and carrying out all trash. Campfires are not allowed, and visitors should respect the natural surroundings at all times. Tips for a safe and enjoyable visit when visiting Kamikochi. It is important to be prepared for the alpine environment. This includes wearing appropriate clothing and footwear, carrying sufficient water and snacks, and being aware of weather conditions. Visitors should also be mindful of altitude, as the elevation can affect some individuals. Personal experiences and testimonials. Many visitors to Kamikochi leave with unforgettable memories and stories to share. Here are a few testimonials from those who have experienced the magic of Kamikochi. Kamikochi is truly a slice of paradise. The hike to Maojin Pond was serene and beautiful, and the views from Kappa Bridge were breathtaking. It's a place where you can truly disconnect and appreciate the beauty of nature. Emma, USA. Our stay at the Kamikochi Imperial Hotel was exceptional. The hospitality was top-notch, and waking up to the sight of the mountains every morning was a dream come true. We can't wait to visit again. Hiroshi, Japan. As a photographer, Kamikochi exceeded all my expectations. The reflections in Taisho Pond and the autumn colors were absolutely stunning. Every corner of this place is picture perfect. Lisa, Germany.